guys, now that you've met a few of my friends, let me introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Goodwin. I'm the Library Media Specialist here at Brightfield, and I can't wait to see you this year. Some of you will be getting to come into the library to check out books, and then some of you that are virtual, you'll still get to be checking out some ebooks and seeing me. I'll be seeing everyone with your literacy teachers and through your PE coaches, so even if you're not here at school, I'll still see you. But just a little bit about me. I've been the media specialist here for 4 years. I have a sweet baby girl named Jane, and some of my favorite books are The Hobbit, Lord of the Rings, and Harry Potter, which you saw from my first video. But I also love, some of my favorite middle school books are Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus, The War That Saved My Life, and anything by Jane Austen. So anyway, I can't wait to see you guys and see you when you get here.